Good morning, Tahmina Khan is here. In TK Maths is Fun. In today's video, I will explain to you a concept of rotational symmetry and line of symmetry. This topic is a part of the syllabus of O-level mathematics. The code is 4024. And to explain this concept, I have picked up two questions from CI exam, June 19 variant 1 to question 2 and November 18 variant 1 to question 8. So before we begin, you can see on the top my website address and my blog address. Do visit it. You will find it very useful in your learning path of mathematics. So let's begin with the question. So the diagram is given to you. Two chords of equal length are given here. You have to draw one line of symmetry. So you have to draw a line such that when you fold along that line, the two chords should meet. So this is a simple question. You will simply draw the line here. It does not need to be precisely, but it should pass through the center of the circle and to some extent equally away. Otherwise, the best way is that you join 2 points and draw a perpendicular bisector, which will pass through center of the circle. But I think this is also okay and acceptable. They do not, in rotational symmetry question and line of symmetry question, construction is not required as such, right? Now, second part of the question, in the diagram below, you have to draw one more circle so that this triangle has 3 line of symmetry, rotational symmetry of order 3. It means if I give it a name, for example, if I call it A and call it B and call it C, so when I start rotating and A comes to C, C comes to B, B comes to A, it should look like exactly as it is. Right now, I know this side has no shaded region, whereas this side has one shaded region, and this side has one shaded region. So definitely when side AC will rotate and come to BC, and this AB side after rotation will come here, so it should have some shaded region here so that it can match. So I have tried to explain to you here. I am going to rotate this picture on the top just to explain the concept. It's not very perfect, but what you will focus on is this shaded area where it will going or falling on this side in which box. Okay? So this is what you will try to see. Sorry. And one more thing, I will make this side exactly on it. Okay. So right now this is just, I'm trying to make look as good as possible. So let me do it. I'm rotating it. Okay. So now you see, so this side box should be shaded. Get my point? This was already shaded. This has fallen here and this blank side has come here. And in the original picture, if I show you, see here, in the original picture, this box was already here. After rotation, this has gone here and this has come here. So this helps us to know that we have to shade this. Definitely, you will not have this liberty of doing. You have to imagine it. So I'm just trying to explain it to you. So you can say you will shade this region because question was saying one box you have to shade, right? So now, second part of the question. The diagram below, or you can see here, is showing what it is, sort of flag. So you have to complete the figure so that after completion, the picture or the diagram you get or figure you get should have rotational symmetry of order 4. So what will you do? Achha, number one thing, when it has order 4, it means after every 90-degree rotation, what shape will look like. So after rotation, it will come or take this shape. Make sense? Then now it will rotate further. So what it will be? It will come here, right? You are rotating it. You are just rotating this thing. And then after that, it will go further in rotation. So now here it is. So this is how you will complete your diagram or figure. Now it has 4 rotational symmetry order. First, second, third, fourth. Now in this figure, you have to draw one line of symmetry, and before that you have to shade one square. so that it has only one line of symmetry. Now you have to think where that box should be drawn and where that line you can draw. Question is not asking you to draw a line, but of course you will see by drawing it for yourself that the box you have shaded is right or not. Okay, so let's see this case first. This is a square, right? If I draw a line here, then and fold the figure along this line, this shaded box will fall here. It's not shaded. This will fall here. It is already shaded. Good. This will fall here. Oh, so now it is crossing the limit because question was saying only one small square. So in this case, if we draw a line of symmetry here, then we have to draw or we have to shade many boxes. So this is out. This is not possible. So let's see this one. Okay, now I have drawn the line here because it is a square. So I have how many options? 1, 2, 3, 4. I can draw 4 line of symmetries. I will see which one will help me to get only one square shade so that it becomes a line of symmetry. So this is out. Now this line of symmetry. If I draw this line of symmetry and fold the figure on it, then this box will fall here. One shaded required. This half is fine. This will fall here. This will fall here. This will fall here. It means you have to shade 3 boxes to make it symmetrical if you want this line of symmetry here, right? So this is also out because question is saying one line of symmetry. Let's consider this case. Now all these shaded region are given to you. Okay, if I fold along this diagonal line, this will fall here. So one shade, one box will be shaded. This will fall here because you are folding it. 2. This will go here. 3. This will come here. 4, 5. Oh my God, so many. We have to shade only one box. So this is also out. The moment I say 2 boxes, no need to consider that question anymore. Now let's draw this line of symmetry along this diagonal. Okay, so these 2 are matching. Fine. This one is missing, so I can shade this one box. These are matching because when you will fold half, this half will fall on this half. This will fall on this. So perfectly okay. So this is the answer of the question. This is the line of symmetry and this is the shaded region. Question is asking you shade the box. So you will only shade this box. You don't need to draw the line, okay? Now, is this the end of the question? Yes, with this we finish this video. So thank you very much for watching this video, and you can share this video with your friends. If you have learned something from it, press like and subscribe button, and do give your comments. It helps me or encourages me to make more videos. Take care. Allah Hafiz.